So we had some fun little styling options for the followers and for the leaders. Started off first with an underarm pass. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now followers with shattering action goes 5, 6, 7, and 8. Leaders, you're going to turn around in that turn 5 and 6, and then duck out 7 and back out on 8. So again, we go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6, and 7 and 8. You also do it on a whip. The whip is one of my favorite places to put it. 5, 6, 7, and 8, 9, and 10. Then we go to walk. 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. The second variation was a basket or more of a egg beater. So it's called an egg beater up and around. There's kind of a barrel roll element to the follower in that connection. Then we see back in for triple, full step, triple and step. Same thing from here. With 2 hands, 2, I open up, and then I look and present her, bring her on back, and then right back through. Alternatively, a little bonus material for you, for those of you that asked, up and over. If I have a friend here, I can cross the track and bring her into a reverse whip. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Shh, only for you. Yeah. From here again, to this side, the hand comes up and over and through. You split, and then you can bring her back nice and easy to that anchor and set. The third version is the each roll variation. 1, 2, 3, and 4. You just hang back a little bit on that 4. Allow your follower to move past you, and then speed up your 5 and 6. 5 and 6, walk out 7, down 8. Notice the styling from the back. So followers, you have options here when you run the corner. You might sweep the foot back and around, or if you think more comfortable, you can sweep it forward and around to the left. First back and around. So from here, it's a cool aspect of movement. You can do either. And 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Walk 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and 5 and 6. Great job, guys.